Yeah. Nawambia hivi. Today is a new day. I want to talk to all of us. Hakuna mtu mwenye hana shida. Nataka kuongea kitu yenye watu wana sijui ndio gwali hata kana nguga atia. Can you imagine andu marathirira mici atumia na thuri marathirira mici ni stress niki na ukarigwa atiriri kwa nini tutiukire twihumbe nguo tuge atiriri umuthi nini ndirokira thie ndigukuna ni ngutura muoyo akorwo ucio ni mucii ucio ni wakwa ndigukua ni ngutura muoyo ndirakuria atiriri tathikiririe mutumia turani na muthuri ira aranjira atiriri nie tecetwo ni mutumia wakwa ngoya moko iguru na the best thing kagure ndirona ni atiriri I would rather die. Why? Wakwa niki wakwa mutumia ucio eguthi na hike na ciana ciaku itigwo na thina. Why don't you say mutumia ucio no akue no survive? Why? You should not die. Niki maisha makuri, it's not pegged on that woman. Maisha makuri mati pegged on that man. It is about waking up and saying that it is about me. It's about me. It's about me. It's not about you. It's about me. Imagine God has given us the grace. Ati ulira worotete mundu uguo 3 fingers are pointing at me or at you. Igakwira atiriri ta imagine in that problem you are having kana ni muthuri waku urakugia ri kana ni mutumia waku urakugia ri imagine you have 3 options. Wena options icio ithatu cia gwika kana kuri maundu matatu ungikire. Why? Ati ni kagure ndirenda gukua tondu riri mutumia wakwa ona ndakoragwo na horo nani mutumia wakwa ni amenyithirie kuri ciana ciakwa mutumia wakwa ajambirie kuri aciari ao akenjambia kuri andu acio othe ao gutiri mundu unyonaga ni matige gukuona. Wake up atuweke atia wake up and say it is now you who is now going to do it for yourself. If you do not love yourself, nobody can love you. If you do not see it for yourself, nobody can see it for you. My dear friend, mutumia nake aranjirira atiriri kwanza na nigucemania turasemania nake ategithie kwirita ati muthuri ni ombanite ati muthuri ona ndamuteithagia ati akamuthuri ri ona ndaciragia horo wake ona ndatindanagira nake ona ndakoragwo na hizo zake. Ndamuria ndakuria atiriri angikonda kuheaga mbeca ri ukiroga thambiria atumia nguo aikonda ndatindanagira nawe ri tindanira nawe yourself. You are there to stay. Can you imagine ati ahikete miaka 28 ati na leo ni hindi arokira ati guthii wokira wathie ku go back wikarire muci ucio thi we uria atiriri what is it that I'm not doing nete itareka what is it that I'm not doing nigetha gukinya hau tonginya mutumia heo mbeca ni muthuri tonginya muthuri tonginya mutumia so long as someone is giving you a peace of mind give yourself that mind tutuhamwe atumia na thuri ati nake muthuri ati mutumia wake ri ona ndakora ona horo kana gya kuria ukorite ukokome mucicio ni waku athuri turakunja nguo tukauma meci gwitu tugokira twathiko we niwe wahikire kana niwe wahikanirie nguo icio cokia mucii rundi nyumbani useme huku ni kwangu niwe wahikirio kana niwe wahikanikirie mutumia ucio rundi tafuta space yako hapo na uririkane ati ungiaga kwihe gitio we ndungiheo ungiaga kwihe hinya ndungiheo ungiaga kwenda gutire mundu ungikwenda so you have to give. Yani no nginya wambe nawe wiyende haku no nginya nawe witio mundu haku no nginya nawe ukinye andu haku gatiriri it is either now or now. Wakati ni sasa na kama si sasa ni sasa hivi. Right? Mutumia ungi aranjirire nake kagure ni ndaugire guku ni kuo gutura guku ni gwakwa athi ombane guku ni gwakwa athi eke atia guku ni gwakwa ndagithie kumiake ndandiko because I agreed to come here. I'm here and I'm here to stay. Ampepe nguo zake aende. Yes, wanawake nitukwire ngoro ati angaye sijui yo athuri nao the same, ikara hau we gwaku and you are not misplaced. Uko hapo kwa sababu ni kwako. Koguo muthenya wa muthenya ndenda kumwira atiriri, it's about sitting down, it's about thinking, reset your mind, take your mind back to factory set. Weciragia atia mbere, weciria atia riu, iyo yote, where are you now? Right? Take yourself back to factory setting. Back to factory setting. Nigetha umenye atiriri, ni kuguruka wi muguruku wi, ni kuguruka kana atinate, ni hawatereire ikinya, you come back to yourself. My friend, ona ungekua mekurira muthenya ucio wa mbere, wa keri wa gatatu makore na muthere makiria, ukore mundu ucio riu araringaringwo kiande go ni muiritu kana ni mundu murume araringaringwo kiande. Where are you? Live for your children, if not for her or for yourself. Live for your children, and above all, live for yourself. Ona ungekua mutingekua muri eri, ugukua ri wiki, uri ate mundu marakuire na muka na choice yao. No makorio na accident. Please, so today na wasihi na waambia, please wake up and wake up. Mwehure iro ruho rukungu uga ati akeorie ne keorire uge riu it is me and me na yani uge atiriri ngukira riu ndira ndie no horo. I'm waking up nakura no. It's not acceptable. No. You can only do it for yourself and yourself alone. So today, ni muthenya wa kwihe hinya, na wihe hinya umuthi na rucio noke. Tuonane rucio gikuhe kiugo kingi gia gugwikira hinya. Yes? Thank you, goodbye.